Hello students, welcome back to Standard 7 Mathematics class. We continue with lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. Today we are going to study about HCF. But I hope you all are practicing.
The greatest common divisor of two or more integers is the largest positive integer that divides each of the integers. You have learned HCF in the previous class. In the previous class, you used to find the HCF by writing the factors. Say for example, if you want to find the GCD of 28 and 42, first what you will do, you will write the factors of 28, the factors of 42, then take out the common factor and then write the HCF. Now if these are the common factors, the highest number among this is 14. So your HCF becomes 14. So the HCF of 28 and 42 is 14. You had studied this method in the previous class. Now this year you are going to study another method to find the HCF of a set of numbers. This is called the prime factor method. The prime factor method. Now let's take the same example, 28 and 42. 28 and 42. Now in the previous class you studied how to write the prime factors of numbers. So we are going to do the same thing. First we will write the prime factors of 28. It is divisible by 2. So you get 14. Again it's divisible by 2. 2 7 times 14. 7 is a prime number, so 7 one time. So 28 you can write it as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now let's factorize 42. Again it's an even number, so you will divide by 2. So you get 21. This is divisible by 3 7 times, and 7 is a prime number, so 7 one time. So 42 you can write it as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now if you see the common factors are 2 and 7. So your HCF is 2 multiplied by 7, that is 14. Now let's take another example. Example 2. Let's find the HCF of 25 and 40 using the prime factor method. What do we have to do first? We have to find the prime factors of 25 and 40. So let's find the prime factors of 25. We had done this in the previous class. This number is divisible only by 5. So 5 times is 25. Again 5 is a prime number. 5 one time is 5. So 25 can be written as 5 multiplied by 5. Now let's factorize 40. 40 is an even number, so let's start with 2. 20 times. Again 20 is even, so 2 10 times. Again by 2. 5 times. 5 is a prime number, so 5 one time. So 40 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So you see that there is only one number as a common factor. So you can see that the HCF of 25 and 40 is 5. Let's try one more example. This time I've got 3 numbers. Let's find the HCF of 10, 15 and 12. 10, 15 and 12. Same, first find the factors of 10. 2 5 times, 5 one time. So 10 is written as 2 multiplied by 5. Now let 15. It's divisible by 3. 3 5 times and 5 one time. So 15 is written as 3 multiplied by 5. Now 12. 2 6 times, again 2 3 times, and 3 is a prime number, so 3 one time. So 12 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Here if you see, there is no common factor but you know that 1 is a factor of every number. So other than 1, there is no other common factor among 10, 15 and 12 taken together. So here the HCF becomes, HCF is 1. Now let's take another example. Let's find the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. Now this time I'm going to use a different arrangement. We are going to do the vertical arrangement to find the HCF of these numbers. We'll find it together. 60, 12 and 36. Now you see that all the three numbers are even numbers. So that means all are divisible by 2. So when you divide 60 by 2, you will get 30. You divide 12 by 2, you get 6. Here you will get 2 one time and 18. Again, all these are even numbers. So now let's again divide by 2. So here you will get 15, 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. Now all are odd numbers. So they are not divisible by 2. But all these numbers are divisible by 3. Let's try 3. How many times? 3 5s are 15. 3 one time and 3 3 times is 9. Now in this case there is no common factor. So we will stop our factorization here. And the product of these numbers will be your HCF. So you can write, therefore, HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. How much is it? 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So the HCF of 60, 12 and 36 is 12. Now we see that 12 is a divisor of 60 as well as 36. So if in case you get a set of numbers where one number is the divisor of the other numbers, then the smallest number will be the HCF of that set of numbers. That is, if one of the given numbers is a divisor of all the others, then it is the HCF of the given numbers. Now here 12 is the divisor of all the numbers, so 12 is the HCF. Now let's solve a few questions from practice set number 12. The first question you had already solved in the example. We will move over to the second question. Find the HCF of 56 and 32. Now let's write the factors of 56. Even number, so we'll divide it by 2. So you will get 28. Again it's an even number, so you will get 14. 2 again. 7 times 14 and 7 one time. So you can write 56 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now let's find the factors of 32. Again it's an even number. So 2 16 times are 32, again even. So 2 8 times 16. 2 4 times, 2 2 times and 2 1 time. So 32 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. We can see that the common factors are 2 is repeated how many times? 1, 2 and say 3 times. So HCF will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 8. Now let's try the sixth question. 105 is an odd number, so it's not divisible by 2. It's divisible by 3, so let's divide it by 3. You get 35 here. Now 35 is not divisible by 3, so let's divide it by 5. 7 times is 35. 7 is again prime number, so you get 1. So 105 can be written as 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Now let's factorize 154. It's an even number, so we start with 2. You'll get here 77. Now this number is divisible by 7. 7, 1 times 7 and 1 times 7. Now 11 is a prime number, so you divide by 11 only, so you get 1. So 154 can be written as 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. If you see, there's only one common factor, that is the number 7. So you can write HCF equal to 7 because there's only one common factor. Now let's try the third question. The question is 40, 60, 75. Let's try the vertical method this time. 40, 60, 75. Here if you see, all the three numbers are not divisible by 2 and also by 3. But all the numbers are divisible by 5. So let's start with 5. Okay. 5 how many times is 40? 8 times is 40. Now 60. How many times it will go? 5. 12 times are 60. And 75. 5 15s are 75. The numbers are 8, 12 and 15. Is there anything common for all the three together? There's nothing common. That means the HCF is 5. This number will be the HCF. Please solve the remaining sums. Thank you and have a nice day.